What's up, y'all? It's John Joffrey with reventbuilds.
And I'm Cody Cooper with Sprout Realty.
And behind us is the new site of Revent Sprout HQ. It's a clash of the titans. The only way to settle that is a builder versus realtor demolition showdown. Let's go! All right, so each team will put up their 3 best competitors. Each competitor will be given 1 minute to do as much damage as possible to the room they're placed in. At the end of each round, damages will be assessed by yours truly. The winning team gets crowned king of the office. All right, look, just so everyone knows, 1 minute timer. We got Sprout Realty up first. Will, they call him Will the Sledge. Let's see what he can do. Timer starts in 3, 2, 1. Oh! Jesus Christ! That's an easy 75 out of 100. First score. All right, listen, we got Ryan up for Team Revent. I expect him to absolutely decimate this room. If he doesn't, he will shame himself and his family. Timer starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Remember, nothing towards him. Got that window still too. Oh, he's coming through the door. Ryan, you got 20 seconds. Ryan! Ryan! Oh! I hope that hit my truck. That'd be great. Oh, golly! 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. All right. I mean, Ryan, he didn't have as much to work with in that other room, but let's look at this. Desk, furniture decimated, nothing on the walls. Look, you can see daylight. This sledgehammer is literally in the other room. The only thing, this is a solid core.
Me, I was like,
you could have ripped it off the hinges, but you know, I respect that you moved on and you hit everything else.
Right.
That's solid 85, bro. 85 out of 100. All right, Kirsten from Sprout Realty, probably the most physically fit and powerful person on their team. She's about to decimate this area. Let's go! Oh, she missed the glass. Try that one again. Time has started. Here, wonderful. The first axe throw, we'll kind of disregard that. But first time jitters. Look, I'm seeing daylight all the way through these walls. That takes a lot of power. I think I'm gonna have to go with about a 67 out of 100. Andrew, the project manager, this should be Revent's best showing. If it's not, he will be terminated. Starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my God, that is pure power, folks. Oh, he's gonna get through that goddamn wall. Get all the way through it, baby! Maybe like toilet and everything else. Oh! Shit! Porcelain bits flying everywhere. Go through that wall. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Clear through the wall. Just like shining, baby. Here's Andrew! There we go! Bashing through the wall. We still got mirrors, sinks, we got the upper above the toilet. Here he is. Whoa! Nothing this way. Holy shit! 7 seconds, Andrew! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Woo! All right. Some serious carnage. I'm gonna have to. I think you could have went through that wall better. I'm holding you to a higher standard. 80 out of 100. All right, here we go. We got Cody Cooper, the leader of the Sprout clan. We call him Cody the Ant Cooper. He can lift 1,000 times his weight. He's a lot more powerful than his weak stature looks. Let's go, Cody. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, did you look at that? Did you get a look at that? Here's Cody. Some strong hits. All right, hit the wall over the window.
One more, get that thing down.
Yeah. There we go. Cody's performance was about a 10 out of 100. That's what we're sticking with. Obviously, a man who needs little introduction. They call him John, the Demolitioner Geoffrey. Start their timer in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Yeah. Fuck this door! We got light bulbs.
All right, buddy. I have to give it to you. That was the best one. If there's a major water leak in there that I need you to go fix.
Okay.
Overall, it was a 10 out of 10.
This partnership's gonna be insane.
Let's get it done.
Let's go!
Another day at the office. Or even better, what's real estate like in 2023?